Ka Little Angel Secondary School Musa Lengkat Jawai West Jinta Hills District. Mentagasngi ka kat pratrik lebar arjara posau. Kala sedang Rakhe ka Jingdap arpsan Snem ka Jingshakri, hakalian ka Ïaka Jingnang Jingstad iki kanak school, hapo ka district hi borok kawai. Ya kane ka school aseng nadu ka Snem kat kanai spa kanai pokandai. Bar ka moto ka boong stepping stones to success. Hakapor basdang kidantang kumbah nyongut ki kanak school, bararngut ki no hikai. Kat baki Snem kinang yai ka school kalayo ban penyaso, baka Meghalaya Board of School Education nek embos. Omtang hakajing pule ka bagi kana kalayo. Hari war hiki kami lekai ka school kalala ban penmi shibun ki kana elekai ki badan ki sap kerpang ki paper. Ka school ka don ka thong na kamta ban aji hikai ki kana pule. Kat kum ka jing kala jung ka juk ka bamenta. Ya kane ka jing sedang Rakhe dap arpsan Snem juga school lawan pli perda. Dau kongsan ubaderu Deputy Commissioner jangka West Jinta Hills District Babia Solia IAS. Hakajing lang ka School Education Officer juga West Jinta Hills kakong SM kum kasembut kongsan. Kakong one box sayo headmistress kinohikai kikimikikpa jongki kana school nolor kiwei de kibrasyak khot ngobha.
Please give her a round of applause. Sorry. Next we have Heyo Bitmi Suwa. Secure one letter. Lullaby Van Clem and Constance C. Sankon.
Carry forward. Now we have crossed 25 years. We're looking forward to 50, looking forward to 75, and we're looking forward to 100. And we should be, and we're looking forward to, in fact, many more years, many more decades after that. Most of us, if not all, won't be around for maybe many years, but by then the names will be enshrined somewhere. We'll know how it started. They know. I'm pretty sure 100 years from now I won't be around. So, and I would like to again, congratulate everyone, and my wishes that the remainder of today's program and will be a success, and the remainder of the services of the school will be even more successful. That will be indeed, a shine, will be a shining example to other institutions and other communities and other individuals with the same objectives in mind, that they will gather inspiration and momentum from such a gathering.
Despite its modest start, Little Angel School embarked on a journey of growth and excellence, progressing one class at a time until it reached the pinnacle of academic achievement with its affiliation to the Meghalaya Board of School Education and appeared for its SSLC examination first time in 2012. And we are sending only 5 students and all of them passed 10% in that beginning of our, and they are here, some of them, those who passed in the first batch. So, along the way, the school remains steadfast in its commitment to academic excellence, holistic development, and the values of integrity, compassion, and resilience. Through the years, Little Angel School has witnessed countless success stories with its students consistently excelling in academic, sports, arts, and various extracurricular activities. The dedication and hard work of the students, teachers, and staff have borne fruit, as evidenced by the remarkable achievement of our alumni in various fields and industries.